You don't have to go out looking for a long-lasting concealer. You can do this yourself at home by using only 2 products. So we're going to get the concealer here, which is my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to get some of this on the back of my hand. Now I'm going to take a primer. Now I'm taking my Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer, which is the blurring one. And you want a tiny bit of this that you're going to mix in. It's a very small amount. You don't need a lot. We're going to mix the primer into this concealer. This is going to give it a little bit more staying power. It's going to really help it to kind of grip hold of the skin. So now you want to use a beauty blender. You can use a damp one or a dry one. That's completely up to you. I personally prefer it to be damp. So you really want to make sure you drag a little bit to the side of your hand, buff it into the sponge. So don't just go in and start dabbing on, because that's really not the way. So you want to really get it into the sponge so it's fully into the sponge, and then you're going to go onto the skin, and that gives you the most even finish. And now I'm just going to go along the under eye area. Now I personally prefer to just apply my concealer on the under eye and maybe a little bit here just to shape the area or just to lift the area. You will find that by mixing your primer into your concealer, you actually need less of the concealer, and also you won't need to apply as much powder on these areas. So once you've applied your concealer, you carry on with your powder, set it however you want, and then you're good to go. Once you're finished, you're left with flawless makeup.